How to remove sound from a video in Capcut mobile app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove sound from a video in Capcut mobile app. So let's dive in. First you have to open your Capcut app and then you simply have to just skip it over here and you have to choose the project that you want to work on. For example, I want to work on this project, and now you simply have to mute this clip by clicking over here. This is the first option that you can use to remove sound from a video in Capcut mobile app. And now if you play the video, it's going to be without sound because you have muted all the clip audio over here. And the second option is you unmute the clip audio and you go to this edit option over here, and then you have to scroll through until you find the option that says extract audio. And here you find the extract audio. Just stop when you find this option and click it, and it's going to extract the audio over here and it's going to add it to this soundtrack. And now you have to choose this extracted audio by clicking it, and then you have to press delete on the drop down menu. And here you go. That's how you remove sound from a video in Capcut mobile app.